Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Cuisinart CB-60P1 Countertop Double Burner, a powerful and reliable electric hot plate designed for serious everyday cooking when you need extra burners. Design and build quality. This unit features a brushed stainless steel body with black accents, giving it a durable, professional kitchen look. It comes with two heavy-duty cast iron heating plates, one larger burner and one smaller burner, allowing you to cook multiple dishes at the same time. Heating performance. Each burner has independent adjustable temperature controls, so you can simmer on one side while boiling or frying on the other. The cast iron plates retain heat well, providing consistent and even cooking, similar to traditional stovetops. Ease of use. Operation is extremely simple, just plug it in, turn the knobs, and start cooking. Indicator lights let you know when each burner is heating, adding an extra layer of safety. Practical use cases. Ideal for small apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, offices, or as a backup burner during holidays and large gatherings. Works with all types of cookware, no special induction pans required. Cleaning and maintenance. The stainless steel surface wipes clean easily, and the solid construction is built to last. Final verdict. If you want a simple, powerful, and dependable double burner without complicated electronics, the Cuisinart CB-60P1 is a fantastic choice. If this helped you, hit that like button and tell me in the comments how you'd use this double burner.